Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Walaikum assalam.
Good evening to all of you. Can you all hear me clearly?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So today I was in a position to start the class a little late. Anyway, we have to do the session today. That's why a little late starting. Today your heading, it is going to be subtracting binary numbers. Write the heading, write down the heading. What is it? Subtracting binary numbers. Okay.
Answer.
Right. When subtracting, now see, I am going to do the first subtraction here. 1, 0, 1, 2. We are subtracting 1, 2 here. Okay. When you subtract one subtraction, 1 minus 1, how much?
0.
0. 1 minus 1, 0. Rest is 0, 1. What is the final answer coming? 1, 0, 0, 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So take the first example.
Okay, sir.
Answer.
Done, sir.
Completed. Have you all completed it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Remember, there are many different works going on with us. Correct? One
Yes,
side,
sir.
master guide that you are doing on one side. When doing master guide, last year, those who did the master guide, you know that one. Okay. After doing the paper, who should correct the paper?
Parents.
Who should correct the paper?
Parents.
Parents. After parent correct the paper, send a photo of that paper to me. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
If you are expecting good performance, okay, in your school exams and in future in your O-level exams, now onwards, you have to properly practice. My methods are only giving or mainly giving you the practice. If you don't do it correctly on the time, then loss is for whom? Loss is for whom?
Parents.
Loss is for you. Okay. Like last year, I am not going to fight with the parents, so I am not going to fight with the children. Understood? Last year, I made a big fight. Okay, blaming the children who didn't do it. இந்த மாதிரி ஒண்ணும் கிடையாது. Okay. Very first thing it is, you have to do that can be done only by you work on it. Now you are in grade 9, next year grade 10. Grade 10 mean O level. In such a time, you should be very careful. Your parents should be careful. If everyone carefully handle it only, those things can be successfully done. Right? அலட்சியமாக இருந்தா அலட்சியமா இருக்கிற பிள்ளைகளும் அலட்சியமா இருக்கிற பெற்றார்களும் நஷ்டப்படுவாங்க அவ்வளவு. Okay, but I'm not going to fight here. That I don't have any idea. Right? Now, see here. This is a number 1 1 how much? 1 0 2 here 1 2. We are going to subtract. First of all, tell me, can we subtract 1 from 0? Can't. Then you have to borrow 1 from the next place, correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. Here the speciality is, if you borrow 1, it is equal to 2 here. How much?
2.
If you borrow 1, that borrowed 1, now normally when you are subtracting, now say 27, you are subtracting 9. You can't subtract. You borrow 1 from the previous digit, correct?
Yes, sir.
When you borrow 1, that 1 is equal to how much?
10.
10. That 1 is equal to how much?
10.
10. Here, if you borrow 1, that 1 is equal to how much?
2.
2. So here 2 is 1 you take mean it is equal to 2 for this. Then 2 minus 1, how much?
1.
1. After giving this 1, what will remain here?
0.
0. So 0 we don't need to write. So what is the answer?
1. 1.
1 2. Clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can take the second example. Have you completed it? Have you completed it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Shall we go for another example?
Okay, sir.
Right. Here you are written 1 1 1. Okay. Here you are written 1 1 0 1 2. Here you are written 1 1 1 2. We are going to subtract. Can we subtract? 1 minus 1 can we subtract?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, 1 minus 1 how much?
0.
0. We will write the 0. Can we subtract 1 from 0?
Can't, sir.
Can't. Then what shall we do?
We need to borrow from the other
We
side.
have to borrow one digit from the next. If you borrow 1, it is equal to how much here?
2.
2. 2 minus 1 how much?
1.
1. After giving 1 to this, what is remaining here?
0.
0.
So we can't subtract here. So we borrow 1 here. That is equal to how much here?
2.
2. 2 minus 1,
1.
1. 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Take that example. Okay. Have you completed it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I am going to give you a question. Okay. With this idea, let us see whether you do this one. Okay. 1 1 0 0 1 1 2 1 1 0 0 1 1 2 minus 1 1 0 0 2. Can you do?
Yes, sir.
Do will
Yes, sir.
will you?
Done, sir.
Have everyone done it?
Yes, sir. Done.
Have everyone finished it?
Yes.
Right. 1 minus 0 how much?
1.
1 minus 0 how much?
1.
1. We write 1. 1 minus 0 again.
1.
1. Can we subtract 1 from 0?
Can't.
Can't. Can this 0 borrow a digit from this 0?
Can't.
Can't. So it has to borrow from here. If it borrows from here, how much is for this?
2.
2. In that 2, it is borrowing 1 to this. That is equal to how much for this?
2, sir.
2. After borrowing 1 to this, what is remaining here?
0.
No, no, no.
1.
It borrowed here. That is equal to 2. In that 2, it gave 1 to this. Then how much is remaining?
1, sir.
1.
Sir.
After giving this, what is remaining here?
0.
0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. 2 minus 1,
1.
1. 1 minus 1,
0.
0. Correct? Here 0 remaining, nothing to subtract, write the 0. Here 1 is there, nothing to subtract, write 1. This is your answer. Clear? Who got this
Yes,
answer?
sir.
Who got this
Maharaj
answer?
Din, sir.
Monica Superstar.
Izanari. Raimar Azlan.
Simonica.
Good, good, good. Now, I am giving you another question. 11002. 11002. 1102. Can you subtract?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Subtract.
Completed, sir.
Done, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Everyone completed it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
0 minus 0, how much?
0.
0.
0.
That we write 0. Here can we subtract?
Answer.
Can't. Then what should we do?
We should borrow.
We should borrow 1 from this. If you borrow 1 from here, it is equal to how much here?
2.
2.
2.
2. 2 minus 1.
1.
1. After giving that 1, what is remaining here?
0.
0. Now it should be borrowed from here, correct?
Yes, sir.
That is equal to how much?
2.
2.
2 minus 1, how much? 2 minus 1, how much?
1.
1. If you have got this answer, you are correct. Who got this answer?
Maharaj Din, sir.
Understood? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Are you clear? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there anyone who didn't understand? Tell me. Is there anyone who didn't understand? So is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right. So I told you to keep a separate book for what is it? Binary.
Binary.
And told you to take a
Binary.
separate book for fractions, correct?
Yes, sir.
Have you taken the separate book for fractions?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
you have. You have a separate book for fractions, correct?
Yes.
Right. Take that new book. Place the heading fractions. Okay? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Have you taken the heading fractions?
Yes, sir.
Right. In the case of fractions, from your grade 6 onwards, you study fractions. Okay. Can you remember this word? Equivalent fractions.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This you studied in your grade 6. So you know that one? You studied in your
Yes,
grade 6?
Yes.
Right. Another thing you studied. Mixed number. Correct?
Yes.
Another thing you studied. Improper fraction. What kind of fraction?
Improper fraction.
Improper fraction. Okay. Right. Thereafter,
Unit fraction.
unit fraction you studied. Unit fraction. Okay. Further, you studied adding fractions. Did you study adding fractions? Did you
Sir.
study
Yes.
adding fractions?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Similarly, you studied, what is it? Subtracting fractions. Subtracting, what is it? Fraction. Further, you studied multiplying fraction. Further, you studied dividing fraction. All these you studied in your previous grades. This is grade 6. These are grades. This is grade 6. Okay, these are grade 7. Okay, these are grade 7. These are grade 8. Multiplying and dividing. When did it come?
Grade 8.
Grade 8. Okay, one more thing you studied. That is also last year you studied. Reciprocal of a fraction. Reciprocal of a fraction. Okay. These
Yes,
kind
sir.
of headings you studied here before in your grade 7. If you are clear in these areas only, grade 9 fraction lesson can be further moved. You have to tell me how much you are good in these ones. I am going to give you a simple idea. Okay, you personally send me a WhatsApp message now in any one of these area if you are a little weaker. Or if you don't know any one of these, that also you send me. My children, unit fraction is nothing. Okay, unit fraction mean and fraction having 1 in the numerator. This is unit fraction. Unit fraction is nothing. Okay. Understood? If you have a 1 here in the numerator, what kind of fraction it is?
Unit fraction.
That is unit fraction.
Unit fraction.
That is unit fraction. Unit fraction is nothing. 1 is there in the numerator mean, what is it? If you don't send me, I will not understand it. நீங்க ஒன்னும் சொல்ல இல்லைன்னா எனக்கு கஷ்டமா போயிடும்.
Like
You send it in the WhatsApp. Anything in this area, that because they are going to practice this one. For 1 week, we are going to practice this one. After this practice only, you are getting into the, what is it? The fractions lesson. Understood? You should be able to do the equivalent fraction. You should be able to work with the mixed numbers. You should be able to convert mixed numbers to improper fraction. Improper fraction to mixed number. You should be, unit fractions are not much thing. Okay? Adding fractions you should know. Subtracting fractions you should know. How to multiply fractions you should know. Okay? How to divide fractions you should know. How to write the reciprocal of a fraction you should know. இதெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். If you know all of these only, you can handle the future fractions. That's why I am asking you.
sir, reciprocal means putting the denominator in
Yeah,
the
yeah.
numerator.
So 3 over 7 means 3 over 7 reciprocal is 7 over 3. 3 over 7 reciprocal is, what is it? 3 over 7 reciprocal is
7 over
7 over 3. Take the denominator to numerator, numerator to what?
3.
Denominator. Understood?
So how can we divide a fraction?
In fraction division, there are many types there. Understood?
Sir, should we find the lowest common factor when
No,
dividing?
no need, no need. No need. Okay, now if I will tell you. First of all, let's go for this. Dividing, what is it? Fractions. As you are asking, I am telling this. Now you have a fraction 2 over 3, say. You, by what number you want to divide it? By what number you want to divide it?
4 over 6.
4 over 6, no problem. Okay, now what you have to do is write this number, mark this division into what? Multiplication. Write this number as a reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of this number?
6 over 4.
6 over 4. Now, if you want, you can simplify 6 and 3, 2 and 4. If you want, you can simplify. Otherwise, multiply. 6 into 2, how much?
12.
12. 3 into 4, how much?
12.
12. 12 divided by 12, how much?
1.
1.
One.
So that's your answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So dividing by a fraction is easy. You are turning the division to what? You are turning the division to
Multiplication.
multiplication and writing the reciprocal of this.
Sir, should
Ah.
we write 3 as 1 and 6 as 2?
That means
Changing the 3 into 1 and 6 into 2. Dividing.
this side you can't do anything. Only this part you have to turn. Understood?
No, sir.
Hmm.
No, sir. By dividing in cross.
Dividing in
Cross.
cross we don't divide. Cross you divide mean you can divide. 3, 1, 3, 2. Okay. 2, 1, 4, 2. 2 and 2 cancel, 1, 1. Final answer 1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So you can divide by any number. Only one thing, how to do the reciprocal. Now tell me another number we can divide. Shall we divide it by 5?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now see 2 over 3. Multiplication. What is the reciprocal of 5?
1 over 5.
1 over 5.
5.
What is the reciprocal of 5?
1 over 5.
1 over 5. Now cross in the cross way, there's nothing to divide. So we multiply. 2 into 1,
2.
2. 3 into 5,
15.
15. You answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So now tell me, is dividing a difficult thing?
No, sir.
Tell me, those who told me hard to divide. Is it dividing
No, sir.
dividing by a fraction a difficult thing?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, it's simple. Correct? Any other thing if you want to know, tell me. You tell me. Today is your day. In the
So divide-
fractions,
Sir, multiplication.
multiplication is the one now I showed you. That is very easy. 2 over 3 into 5 over 7. Multiply the numerator and numerator. 2 into 5, how much?
Yes, sir.
2 into 5, how much?
10.
10. 3
10.
into 7, how much?
21.
21. That's all.
21.
Now see, you have 2 over 3 into 5 over 6, they are same. Now 2 and 6 we can simplify, right?
Yes, sir.
2
Yes.
divided by 2, how much? 1. 6
One.
divided by 2, how much?
3.
3.
2.
5 into 1, 5.
5.
3 into 3, 9.
9.
That's all. If you can do division, you can simply do multiplication. Understood?
Sir, if this comes like this, 18 over 20, can we simplify it? 18 over 20 means?
Of course. 18 over 20 comes mean divide it 2 by 2, 9 over 10 coming. Understood?
Yes.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Anything you want to understand, tell me. I will today clear you. This week full, you will be working on the fraction practices. Okay. Coming week, we
Yes,
are
sir.
officially working on the fractions. Anything you want to understand, tell me. Multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, anything okay.
So can you revise equivalent fraction?
Equivalent fraction mean, okay, equivalent fractions are equal. Equivalent fractions are actually home equal. Now 2 over 3. Okay, if you want to write a equivalent fraction up and down, you have to multiply it by the same digit. Choose a digit. Choose a number.
2.
2.
2.
Multiply this by 2.
4.
4. Multiply this by 2.
6.
6. These two are equal. Understood? Understood?
Sir.
Okay, if you want, you can multiply by 3. Multiply this by 3.
6.
6 over 9.
6. This one 9.
Yes, sir. 5,
If you want, you can multiply by 4. 8,
9,
8 over 12.
12. Sometimes you can divide also. Now see 12 over 20 there. Divide this by 2.
6 over 10.
6
6
over
over
10.
10. Equivalent fraction. Divide this by 4.
3 over 5.
3 over 5. It is also in equivalent fraction. They are equal fractions. Understood?
Yes, sir.
You know, dividing is okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, anything okay? Today you have to ask me. Okay, today onwards practices are starting. Anything, equivalent fraction or mixed number or improper fraction or anything okay. ஒழுங்கா சொன்னதான் கேட்கும் எனக்கு. Do you have anything to ask at me? Zuhara Isdeen, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Everything is clear.
Yes, sir.
Right. So I will send you a practice. Okay. Today onwards, your practices are starting. For this 1 week, you are going to practice those things. After 1 week, coming Sunday, officially, okay, you can ask your doubts and you can start the fractions lesson in the grade 9. I'm very much keen on one thing. You have to very much thorough in this one. What is mixed number? What is improper fraction? How to convert mixed number to improper fraction? How to convert improper fraction to mixed number? How to add the fractions? How to subtract the fractions? How to multiply the fractions? How to divide the fractions? How to write the reciprocal of a fraction? Okay, how to write equivalent fraction? All these things you have to know. If you know those things only and know those things only, we can further move in the lesson. Okay. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Amna Rinos, okay.
Yes, sir.
You are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yusri Azam,
Yes, sir.
clear. So, do the works. Works will be more coming for this week. Last week and binary works will come. Number pattern works will come. In those books, do those works. Understood?
Okay.
Are you clear?
Yes.
In those books, do those works. Binary mean binary book. Okay, number pattern mean number pattern book. And what is it? Fractions mean fractions book. Maintain that one. It will be very much useful for you in future. Clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. So wait for the works, inshallah. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't start it on the time. Okay. That's okay. If it is required, I will go for an extra class and complete it. Okay. No need to worry about it. You know myself now, how much extra classes last year I did for you?
Sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Yes,
you know I will do those kind of things. So you don't need to worry about it. Okay. So we'll meet inshallah. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Yes, sir.